Audio CD 1, track 54, word focus. 1. Familiar. Are you familiar with this type of software?
2. Downtown. Sonia wants to go walking downtown.
3. Take. I always take Non-King Street when I go to the stadium.
4. Avenue. Carrie likes shopping at the places on Fifth Avenue.
5. Take a left. Go straight for 3 blocks and take a left at the library.
6. Meter. The taxis in the countryside sometimes don't have meters.
7. Notice. Have you noticed my haircut?
8. Slow down. Please slow down. You're driving too fast.
9. Intersection. Let's go down to the intersection to cross the street.